धीरे ही सही, थोड़ा थोड़ा ही सही। तुम दौड़ ना सको तो जरा चलो तो सही, ना अपने लिए तो देश के लिए, स्वस्थ भारत के परिवेश के लिए। धीरे धीरे ही सही, थोड़ा थोड़ा ही सही।
This is a campaign initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister, and who is motivating the nation to adopt good health by every citizen and cleanliness in our surroundings. So let us keep his spirit in true sense and let us adopt in our day-to-day life, so that India will become stronger and will be ready for becoming a developed nation as per his vision by 2047. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Good morning. Vanakkam Neyveli. At the outset, I wish each and everyone here on the occasion of Ekta Divas, the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who put all his efforts to unite our nation. Fit India Freedom movement that was started in 2019 by Honorable Prime Minister with a vision, with a target that whatever advantage the country is having because of the demographic dividend, that is, India is as on date the youngest country in the globe. We have to get advantage of this. If we want to get advantage of this and achieve the target of Vikasit Bharat by 2047, the youngest country in the globe should become the healthiest country in the globe, the fittest country in the globe. With this target, this Fit India Freedom movement is started in 2019. You all remember, you all read about the Quit India movement that was started in 1942, which finally led to our independence in 1947. Similarly, Fit India Freedom Run, Fit India Freedom Movement is a mass movement where the fitness standards of the country, fitness standards of the people of the country will be improved. As you know, the real wealth is health only. You should give importance to your health. Whatever responsibilities you are executing, you should allot some time for the fitness, because fitness only matters.
धीरे धीरे ही सही, थोड़ा थोड़ा ही सही। तुम दौड़ ना सको तो जरा चलो तो सही, ना अपने लिए तो देश के लिए, स्वस्थ भारत के परिवेश के लिए। धीरे धीरे ही सही, थोड़ा थोड़ा ही सही। तुम दौड़ ना सको तो जरा चलो तो सही, जरा चलो तो सही। दादाजी का सपना था हो जाए भारतीय। फिट इंडिया